Welcome to our YouTube channel. I'm Zeon Daraja and we are Nambi Fashion. I'm here today with another of our patented waist trainers. This waist trainers, you can never find it anywhere else, only at Nambi Fashion. This waist trainer is this right here. You can see it. So you might say, well, what's the difference about this waist trainer? This is like any other latex waist trainers, right? But this is just the front. Look at the back. Isn't it pretty? The design is really unique, right? Well, this is a V-shaped close-fitting design belt. So this belt, I'm sure you've not seen it around before. The V-shaped design, it gives it more force, more uniform force to push your waist in. So it means it tightens your waist and gives you that extra curve we all want. So this is it. And another of the advantage is it's really good for waist protection. Since it starts from one side of the waist and goes through the other and goes to the front, it gives you more protection. It's like a hug. It's like a really good warm hug. So it gives you more waist protection and it also shapes your body. Like it's going to shape it. I told you it's going to shape it really good. So this is the advantage. The other thing is it's a latex waist trainer. I've told you guys about latex waist trainer a lot. I've shown you guys a lot of latex waist trainers. This is also the same. It has three materials: the nylon, the latex, and the cotton one. And also, it has 9 flexible steel bones. As you see, it has 9 flexible steel bones. So the steel bones are going to give you an extra back support next to the belt, that is. And also this one has hooks, 3 rows of hooks, double stitched hooks. You can see right here, they're double stitched hooks, making it more stronger and durable so that you can use it for a long time. Okay, so this waist trainer also has 4 colors: purple, blue, pink, and black. But that's not all. If you want more colors, more designs, you just have to contact us and we'll design it and we'll show you guys. Since we're manufacturers, you don't have to worry about it. And sizes also, we have from 3 extra small to 6 extra large, 7 extra large. More plus sizes are even available. Just let us know what you want. Okay, so let me wear it real quick and you're going to see how it supports my back and how it's going to look. So this is what it looks like. You can see how it can support my back, right? You can see how it goes from here to the other part and comes back to the front. So this is really going to help you. It's going to support your waist and also give you that extra tightness we all want, giving you this curvy shape. Okay, so that's why our designer team always comes up with really unique, really beautiful designs. It's not just the uses, you can see just for the eye, even the design is really unique and it's really attractive. So it's like for fashion as well as for the use of the waist trainer. So I hope you liked today's video. If you're interested in any of the products, you can check out our website and send us an inquiry there, or send us a direct message on our Instagram page. I'm going to link both of them down on the description box. And if you liked today's video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and comment if you have any questions or just for support. So I'll see you guys later in another video next time. All right, bye.